Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are all doing great today. I'm also great because today our special and emotional day. And I would like to first thank my all honorable teacher for giving me a chance to say something about our farewell day and after 3 month journey. We have learned many things and after before came here, I couldn't speak in English and I have many problems because I'm not a running student. I was job holder, and I had no idea about English, and I also forgot how many alphabet in English letter. After came here, I bother my Kayum sir, teacher, for learning English. How many questions I asked him, how many mistake I made, and Kayum sir always helped me to speak English. I would like to thank a lot because Kamsar has many contribute to learn English behind me. And I also thank my all student, all my beloved friend. They also helped me to learn English and they also pushed me to learn English. And I also especially thank to my roommate. I'm residential student. My roommate has many contribution to progress behind me. And also Saddam sir has many contribution behind me because when Saddam sir uh, taught us, Saddam sir always encouraged us to speak English with confidence. Without confidence, you can't speak. Whenever you go any outside places, like whenever you explore any historical place, you have to describe this place in English. And when will you describe this place, you need confidence. Without confidence, it's not possible to describe any historical places, any topic. And we learn many things. And Saddam sir also a few minutes ago said that we need focus our present. And Rahat sir also few days ago described and taught us you can do everything if you want from your heart. Thank you so much.